Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to another video. I'm recording from this beautiful temple here in San Jose, and it is such a beautiful place to be. There's a lot of statues of the Buddha, Kuan Yin, and so many other beautiful saints and holy divine entities. Most of these individuals, high spirit, were people just like you and me, people that embodied their divine nature. They embodied their divine essence and true self, and came to this world to help remind people their true essence, their true divine self at their core of themselves. And they came here to heal us, just like they are reminding you. They are reminding you, just like I am reminding you, that how they healed you is by helping you recognize who you are, helping you recognize that you are like them. Of course, we honor and respect and hold them with great love and esteem, but just like Mother Mary and Jesus and Krishna and Shiva and all the beautiful saints from all different religions and cultures and backgrounds, remember, we are all divine in nature. We are all of the same source. The difference is how far away you get yourself away from that. How far do you identify with an ego? How far do you attach yourself to your own personal self and personal wants and desires? Our own mind, our own ego detaches us from recognizing this truth. And all the people that supposedly do wrong to us, that's all they are. They are divine entities that distance themselves from their true nature. I'll give you a perfect example. Lucifer, what we call the devil, he was actually an archangel. He was the highest ranked archangel. And what happened to him was that he just identified with his own personal ego, and therefore he dropped from his divine nature. That's the whole symbolism behind him falling from heaven. It was when he wanted to go against his own true nature. He wanted to go against his own true self, and that created the whole symbolism of him dropping down into the lower realms. Because that's what happens to us when we drop into our ego and our personal self. We detach ourselves from this divine oneness, and when we detach ourselves from this oneness, we create all these obstacles. Now we create all these situations for us to fail in, because we created them. When we're in oneness, everything is one, everything is perfect, everything is bliss, everything is love, everything is in unity, everything is in synchronicity. Everything is serving you because you are everything. And it just flows symbiotic. And it is when we detach ourselves from this oneness, we create the friction, we create the trouble, we create the mud. So I know it's hard to see, I know it's hard for a lot of people to understand, but as we raise in vibration and consciousness, it becomes clear, it becomes so obvious that we are one, that I am speaking to myself out there, and you are looking at yourself through this camera, just in a different vessel. So I love you, much love, always abundance. We are living this beautiful life. It's so rich, so amazing, nothing but love. Peace always be with you.